good morning. Today I'm going to walk you through the trade I took this morning, which was CHF JPY, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it from the start to the end. It's pretty simple. We have something in FTM Academy called Instrument Scanner. That's what you see here on the image. It shows us all the instruments that meet the criteria to take trades. And we have a few things that we filter or look for in our trades, and that's one thing. We do have a mathematical formula to calculate the take profit, which you see here on the target. And CHF JPY, it has a 78% chance every day to reach that the price reaches the calculated target. Looking back in history, we do these calculations on a long period of time, and I've seen that 78% chance we hit this target. And EuroCAD, we have a 80% chance, and CAD CHF, we have a 79% chance. What you also see here is the now/average. That's the ADR, average daily range. How much is CHF JPY moving on average? And you see here it's 1,409 points, which is roughly 140.9 pips. And today we have moved 524 out of those 1,409 points, which is roughly 37%. And you see the same calculations and numbers on EuroCAD and the rest you see here. The reason we don't see that many is because we filter out the ones that already has touched the target that we are aiming for. Then it's not a viable trade, so it invalidates the trade on that symbol that day. So we filter them out. So this is what we have this morning. I have been looking through these already, and I decided to go with CHF JPY. So if you click on the pair that I just did and you open up the chart, I have now TradeSpider attached to my default template. So when I open a new chart, it's always attached with an email set as it should and the settings that I want to have. What you also see is the automatic stop loss and TP. This makes the expert advisor TradeSpider to automatically fix the target at the target, which is the orange line. You see it also in the panel here. It's 78% chance of being touched, and it's not touched yet. So that means that the price has not reached that, as you see on the chart as well. You also see the black lines on the chart, ADR high and the ADR low, which explains itself. It's that if price doesn't move lower than it is now and moves up, we can expect the price to move to ADR high, and the same in the other direction. If the price doesn't move further up from where we are now, we can expect the price to move all the way down to ADR low. This gives us a great insight in how the markets move, because without this, you don't know how far is it going to go. So if you set your take profit outside of this and you're an intraday trader, you're most likely not going to reach your target today. But as a swing trader, you don't care about this. But we are intraday traders, so this is very useful information for us. And also in the panel here, you see commissions per lot, self-explanatory. It's how much it costs per lot to open a trade. Initial risk in combination with stop loss size and target. The risk to reward in this case is 1 to 5.1, which means that the target is 5.1 times bigger than the stop loss. But we have 5 positions in this specific trade. And here in the input settings, I need to change the spread. This is the stop loss must be X times bigger than the spread. So if the spread is 10 points, the stop loss must be at least 50 points for you being able to open the trade. So this is a little bit, it's a built-in warning system that prevents you from entering trades when the spread is huge, which can ruin your trade. You can just open a trade and immediately you hit your stop loss and you open the next position, and boom, you have ruined the trade with 5 losing positions. We don't want to do that. So I built this in because it comes really handy to have this. Sometimes I forget to have the ask and bid lines on the chart, so I don't see the spread, and I enter trades and I lose them, and I don't just want to avoid that. Yeah, this is it. So now I am ready. Now I changed that to 3 times, and I forgot to allow algo trading. When you click that and save it in template, it's automatically saved for each new time you open a chart. For some reason, it was unchecked for me. And now I enter sell. This is basically what I do. And if you look at here, EuroCAD, I had already looked at this before, and as you see, it has all almost been down to the orange line. So I kind of invalidate this trade automatically for myself, because you see it's a big uptrend yesterday, and we see now today it starts moving really heavy up. It's like a moving train. You don't want to step in front of a moving train, and it's moving upwards now away from the target that's almost been hit. So I'm not gonna take this trade. So I skipped this trade, and CHF JPY was a more viable trade for me. But as you see here, the stop loss and the targets is automatically set up. So you just basically need to look, do I like this price action? Do I think it's gonna move to my target or not? If so, do a sell. Then you have CAD CHF. We're pretty close to the target, so it's really small trade. Look at the stop losses. It's really small, 32 points. That's 3.2 pips. So I skipped that one as well. And CHF JPY is the one I'm going for. We are currently in a little drawdown here, but I'm gonna fast forward now so that you will see how the trade plays out. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how I do it every day. I open up the instrument scanner. I go through every instrument, every symbol, click on the name, open up the chart, look, do I like it, do I not like it, and then I decide if I want to take the trade or not. And if you have follow my channel, Robbie Billing on YouTube, you also know that I talk a lot about taking only one trade per day. And that protects me a little bit, one from overtrading. If I win the first trade in the morning, I might be overconfident and take another trade that I got this. I'm gonna win this one as well. Or if I have the losing trade in the morning, I'm gonna revenge trade. So by doing one trade per day, I protect myself from overtrading or revenge trading. And I mean, you only need one trade per day to be earning a lot of money. Now we see here, I fast forward the trade, and here we reached the take profit. We got a nice spike down there, and then it basically took out the target, which I'm super happy for. So this is how I do it. It's not harder than this. So if you like what I show you here, then you should definitely sign up for FTMO Academy. It's a link below or somewhere around this, and try it out for yourself. It costs $249, which is nothing compared to what you pay for one challenge. If you go in for FTMO challenge and you go for a 100k challenge and you pay 560 euros for it and you lose it, that's twice what this course cost. And also you get the tools, you get the education, you get the course. The course is very fast. It's almost around 1 hour, but it's packed with value. And I stripped out all the nonsense in the course just to save you the time, and it's possible because of these tools that comes with the course, because it does the heavy lifting for you. You just need to understand how to use these tools and why we do it, and then you can start trading and buying profits. Sign up in the link below. Have a nice day. Peace.